We're getting ready for the kickoff to the Hidden Origins Tour.
Yes.
Sedona, Arizona.
We're doing it.
Taking drugs.
Right?
Hardcore.
All kinds of secrets tonight.
Oscillocossinum. This is the hardest core stuff you can get.
Right there. That's what's up.
Gonna have a great show tonight.
Yes.
Tune in.
Woo! Welcome.
So firstly, thank you very much for coming. It's lovely to see such a nice crowd here. And yeah, give yourself a round of applause. It's fantastic being back in Sedona. Haven't been here for, I think, 3 years now, at least 2 years, 3 years ago. And nice to be back in the USA. Last year, 2016, we skipped because we were in the elections in South Africa, so it was a big year for us. Nearly killed me. I'm going to start this presentation. Firstly, thanks very much to everyone that's helped here. There are a bunch of people that have been working behind the scenes here that I haven't even met and only meeting now. So thank you very much to everyone that played a part in spreading the word. This is our first stop on the USA tour. After this, we go to another 12 cities in the USA and in Canada. And it's lovely to start in Sedona. I call this the Hidden Origins, Exploring the Nature of Our Reality Tour, because I'm going to start getting into some very interesting areas that I have not really covered before. New research, new information as it keeps growing and expanding. So this is getting out of the matrix of division into resonance and unity. As you know by now, I like to connect the dots from the past to the present and see what we can learn from the ancient past and how we can put the ancient knowledge to the benefit of humanity today. And the question is, why does this matter? So many people say, well, I don't really care what happened in the past, I just care. Well, you know, I think if we don't know who we are and where we come from, how could we possibly know where we are going, or at least be on the path, the right path? So I believe that what we learn from the ancient history and the murky origins of humankind is a very clear indicator of what we should not be doing, because it seems nothing that we've done so far has worked, because this is why we're in this mess. So the more we learn about the ancient past, the clearer it becomes as to what we shouldn't be doing into the future. And that's how I like to see it. So there are 5 or 6 points that I like to stress before we start again, or as we start. That first of all, everything is connected. And this is where our education and information systems really let us down, because they compartmentalize everything for us, and you know, the need-to-know bases, now everything is hidden in boxes, the whole pyramid structure of our learning and our corporatized system and our lives are completely divided in so many ways. And we forget that everything is connected. Everything on every level is connected. So let's keep reminding ourselves of that, and how every action that we make, everything we do has an effect around, not only around us, but throughout the fabric of creation. Every thought we have has an effect on the fabric of creation everywhere. And so through this connectedness is how we can co-create a beautiful world for ourselves and for our children and for all of humanity. Our history is much older than we can imagine. This is becoming more and more evident, and our history is also much stranger than what we can imagine. And that's been evident for a long time, but that strangeness seems to have been hidden from us. Things are not as they seem, and this is where the nature of reality really kicks in. Everything we've been told is a lie. Now, 30 years ago, I had a suspicion that we were being lied to. 20 years ago, I was a lot more confident that we are being lied to about quite a lot of things. Today, I'm pretty much very, very sure that almost everything we've been told by our authorities and our governments is a lie. And it's from that perspective that we need to investigate different ways and different routes for humanity and everything we do. We know very, very little about what's really going on, the nature of reality, who we are, why we're here. If anyone tells you they've got it all figured out, they're lying to themselves and they're lying to you. Because this stuff is just so weird, and I'm sure I'm telling you that things that you already know, just reinforce that in your mind and keep an open mind at all times.